4 mark exam question for us to express 15 over root 3 of the square root of 3 minus root 27 of the square root of 27 in the form k root 3, where k is an integer. Okay, so yeah, we're obviously simplifying surds involving some rationalizing and also simplifying surds. Okay, so let's obviously start off here with 15 over root 3. Okay, now to write it so it's in the format of something root 3, okay, I'm going to rationalize it, so I'm going to times top and bottom by the denominator. So times top and bottom by root 3 over root 3. Okay, you'll see why I'm doing that in just a second. Okay, so multiplying fraction, I'm multiplying top by top, bottom by bottom. 15 times root 3 makes 15 lots of root 3, or 15 root 3. And on the denominator, on the bottom, we have root 3 times root 3, which is root 9, which simplifies just to 3. Okay, so root 3 times root 3 is just 3. Similarly here, if I have root 4 times root 4, okay, that would give me root 16, which is just 4. So in general, guys, if I have root x times root x, okay, that will just simplify just to x, okay. Okay, so I can now do 15 divided by 3 makes 5, so I have 5 root 3 for the first part. Next up, I'm now going to simplify root 27. So root 27, guys, can be written as the square root of 9 over root 9 times by the square root of 3, so root 9 times root 3. And again, why have I picked it, guys? Well, because 9 is a square number, so I can square root that and get a whole number, an integer. So root 9, guys, is just 3. Okay, the square root of 9 is just 3. So you have 3 times root 3, which is 3 lots of root 3. So 3 root 3. Okay, because I'm obviously subtracting that. Okay, so I'm now going to do 5 root 3 subtract or minus or take away 3 root 3. That is going to simplify to 2 root 3. Okay, the final answer, guys, is 2 lots of root 3, or 2 root 3, where k is equal to 2 as our answer. Just to be clear, guys, so there's actually no confusion. This 2 does not mean the second root or the square root. This means 2 lots of root 3. Okay, so I'm doing 2 times root 3. Rather than write the times sign as we do in algebra, okay, I can just actually write it as, okay, rather than write 2 times root 3, I can write it as 2 lots of, or 2 root 3, without the times sign. Okay, be very careful, guys, So 2 root 3 means 2 times root 3, okay, or root 3 and root 3, okay? It does not mean the square root of 3 or the second root of 3, okay? So normally, you'll have like a little 2 here. You might write, the square root of 3, let's say, okay? But normally we don't have that the 2 actually, but whenever you're having roots, okay, you'll have like a little number. So if I have like the cube root of 8, okay, the number here will be somewhere here, if that makes sense again, and that obviously gives you 2. Okay, but just obviously bear that in mind. The 2 root 3 is not the same as the square root of 3, just to make it clear, okay, and emphasize the point. Thank you very much.